Let's bag or transfer my pumped milk as team enougher using the Little Zion's Milky-Lock breast milk storage bag. Liquid gold is liquid gold. Every drop counts. Kaya I'm excited to share with you my personal experience using this milk storage bag. To tell you honestly, parang ako na yung mahihiyang itapon yung box. Super loaded ng information yung box nila. May info like know your milk, nakalagay din doon yung storage locations and temperature, types of breast milk, how to store, how to thaw, and how to feed. Hindi mo na kailangan pang mag-Google or mag-chat GPT na mga information, lalo na if you're a pumping mama kasi lahat naka-indicate na doon. Kung tatanungin mo ako kung bakit ko nga ba chinek out tong Milky-Lock na to, it's because meron siyang temperature sensing indicator. If the temperature indicator is purple, it means it is cold. And if it's blue, optimum feeding na siya. Yun ang target natin. And kapag white naman, it's hot for our baby. Nasa harap lang ang temperature indicator natin. Kahit malilimutin na tayong mga mommies, don't forget na i-indicate yung date, time, at kung ilang ounce or ml yung napump natin. And if you are starting to build your own milk stash, pwede ka rin maglagay ng number sa taas kung pang ilang milk bag na ba to. So, sa isang box ng The Little Zion's Milky-Lock, meron siyang 30 bags. Kayang-kaya ng storage bag up to 8 ounce or 240 ml. But I highly suggest na huwag niyong isagad ng 8 ounce yung ilalagay niyong milk sa loob. Since nag-e-expand yung breast milk natin, mommies, lalong-lalo na kapag nilagay na natin sa freezer. Naka-pre-calibrated ounce or ml markings na rin yung ating storage bag. Self-standing alone. Naka-double layer zip for leak prevention. Pre-sterilized, food grade, FDA-approved materials, and BPA-free. Kahit isang milk bag nga lang ang na-prepare ko for my baby, I am so proud of myself. I am proudly representing Team Enougher Mama. Direct latching whole day, added milk sa foods ni baby. Sobrang satisfied na ako doon. Ito na nga ang pinaka-challenging part para sa akin, ang magtanggal ng bubble sa loob ng milk bag. Kasi hindi ko siya masyadong makita and then at the same time malabo kasi yung mata ko. Pero syempre, practice makes perfect. At habang pinipress ko nga ito mga mommies, napansin ko na talagang makapal ang quality ng ating breast milk storage bag. And for my final verdict, safe, leak-proof, at worth it yung Milky bag. Sa packaging pa lang ni Little Zion's, bawing-bawi ka na. I will post another video about the temperature indicator.